There's a lot of back and forth between HR and a candidate. Once HR rolls out an offer, HR has to spend a lot of time in explaining the offer or to answer the candidate queries. To minimize that time, an LWC was developed, and it's going to give you a walkthrough of that process. So from an internal HR perspective, HR will come and create an offer. They will have the basic candidate details in Salesforce. Also, they will enter the compensation detail, base salary, sign-on bonus, relocation, annual bonus, if any. And then they will also enter the equity details. For example, what is the preferred price, what is the current valuation, what is the vesting period, and how many number of shares which are being given as part of the offer. In the related, HR also mentioned the other benefits like health benefit, dental insurance. What is the value of that particular benefit to? Now, this particular offer is sent to a candidate. Candidate logs in via a secure link, and candidate looks at the offer, and this is the candidate view. Now, this is an interactive offer page. It pulls the live data from the offer record in Salesforce and enters a single Lightning Web Component. The candidate sees their name, they sees the role, what is the start date, and the location. Then the first year total compensation is calculated from base sign-on, then relocation, and the estimated equity. This donut chart shows the mix about it. Candidate may have a question about what is the take home or after tax. To do that, candidate can toggle this and can find it out based on the tax rate. They can calculate what that value would be. Then they also have this batch which summarizes the split between cash and equity. Then with respect to the equity projection, candidate can use the quick presets or the slider. For example, candidate can slide it based on whatever is the preferred price. They can see how the equity will change, or they can reset it and again look at the current one. Then we also have a vesting schedule graph, which is applied at a 1-year clip and the monthly vesting period through year 4. It shows the cumulative value based on the projected price. Then over here, we have got the benefit, which shows all the other benefits and the value for that particular one. Candidates can go through these FAQs also if they want. And also at the very top, candidate can ask a question. This will go back to Salesforce. They can print or save the PDF. They can accept or decline the offer. So this is a clear data-driven offer experience, which is interactive and easy to share also. To how all this thing was built as a high-level solution. As a user, you can interact with it directly. If you are within Salesforce, you can directly go to the LWC and interact with it. In case you are an external user, then it is exposed via a Visualforce page, which is using a Lightning Out app. And then using an Aura wrapper, this particular LWC is being displayed. In Salesforce, we are using one Apex controller, and then this controller gets the data from these two objects. These two are the custom object offer and offer benefit.